Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Uh, in our today's video, we are going to learn how to create etcd backup and how to restore an existing backup. So our today's question is, first we need to create a snapshot of an existing etcd instance, which is running at https 127.0.0.1 at port 2379. Port 2379 is the default port of etcd, and we need to save the snapshot to var lib etcd-snapshot.db. And post this, we need to restore an existing backup which we will create to the location varlib etcd-restore.db. So let's perform this. Search for open kubernetes.io official documentation page. Search for etcd backup. So here you can see that this is the documentation for backing up an etcd cluster. So you will scroll down. Here, this is the command that we require. So copy this, paste it here. Our endpoint is same. So from the same command, we are going to copy search. Oh, first we need cat /etc kubernetes manifest etcd.yaml file grep files file. So these are the files we need to take the backup of, in which cert file is here, cert and the key. So these three will take the backup of. Cert, this is about, then cert, paste it here, then hyphen key is equals to, this is the key file. Now we need to run the snapshot save and the path to our directory. So we need to save this to varlib etcd-snapshot.db. Varlib etcd-snapshot.db. You can see that the snapshot is saved. So we have completed this part. Now the next thing is we need to restore an existing backup. So we have already took the backup. Now we are going to restore that backup, and we are going to restore it in varlib etcd-store restore.db. But before restoring, if you want to check the current path, cd/var lib. This is your etcd snapshot.db that we recently took. Okay. So for restoring an etcd cluster, you can refer this page. So we are going to copy this command. So snapshot restore. Here we will give the path to our current snapshot, var lib etcd-snapshot.db. And here we need to path var lib etcd-restore.var lib etcd hyphen restore dot db. So this is it, and you can see that the snapshot is restored, and this is done. So our current location is changed. For this, we are going to open slash etc Kubernetes manifests. So open this etcd.yaml. So you can see that the host path here, we have changed, we need to change our location. So our current location is etcd hyphen restore dot db. We'll change this here. And as soon as you are going to change this and save this file, it will automatically restore it from that particular location. So this is how we can take the etcd backup, and this is how we can restore it. Uh, if you want to learn any other questions, or if you have any doubts on this, please let me know. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.